am back with our supper's meat mixtures. Soup, chicken soup, meat pie mixture, Swedish meatball mixture. Now, the Swedish meatball mixture can be turned over. Turn them over. Turn them over. Very nice. Now that they're crowded in the pan, harder to turn over. These are very nice to serve for a supper. What I do is freeze each portion, 4 or 5 meatballs, saran wrap, or plastic wrap, what you have you, and put it in the freezer and take it out and heat it up in the pan, make a sauce, whatever I feel like at the time, usually Swedish meatballs, and makes a very good supper. I don't usually have them for lunch. Too heavy, I find, for lunch. But for supper, it makes a nice supper. So you turn them over. And let them continue cooking. Now, we'll give this a stir. Meat pie mixture. No, it's still got to cook down a bit. Like it a bit thicker. Turn that heat up a bit. Number 4. Now our soup is coming along very nicely. This will have to boil another 2 hours, simmering like that. So that is where I'm at now. And I am also cooking up the pie dough for the meat pie. I will add some water. How much? 1/3 of a cup. 1/3 of a cup of water. Mix that up. So you have a nice dough. This makes a 2-crust pie mix. Coming along. very nicely. And, okay, we have our pie dough. All nicely done. Cut it in half with a knife. And I shall be back.